Hello, today we are making honey garlic chicken. This chicken recipe is simply amazing. It's very easy to put together and it's very delicious. I've tried it with rice and vegetables. It's amazing. And I've also tried it with pasta. Absolutely good. So to start off, you're gonna need to simply season your chicken thighs with salt and pepper on both sides. Now, I don't know about you, but every once in a while I like to try, or let's say I like to make a recipe from another culture. And this recipe right here leans towards Asia. I actually borrowed it from the Tiffy Cooks channel. This lady makes amazing Chinese food. So go ahead and season your chicken with salt and pepper, and then you're gonna set it aside and you're gonna get yourself some cornstarch. Do not use corn flour, do not use wheat flour, just go for cornstarch. It will give the chicken a very crispy exterior and it will keep it light at the same time. So go ahead and coat all the pieces with cornstarch like so and just set them aside on some dry area. Yeah, should be fully coated like that. And then on a wide enough pan, heat up some 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and go ahead and fry the chicken for about 5 minutes on each side until it browns just nicely. Before we move on, please check out my books on Amazon and grab a copy. I have notebooks, coloring books, picture books. Please support me and I'll appreciate it. Okay, moving on. Once the chicken is browned enough on one side, flip it over and cook on the other side as well. I know you can see that brownness, but the crispiness is also top notch. So once the chicken is ready on both sides, you will go ahead and take it out of the pan and then just let the oil stay there for the next step. So drain it off like that. And then you're gonna need soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of honey, and about 1 tablespoon of garlic. Now, crushed garlic, you can adjust these spices based on your preference. It's okay. Mix those and it's gonna make the chicken taste so amazing. So go ahead and return the chicken to the pan and then just move it around a little bit so it absorbs that goodness, and then you're going to flip it over and have the other side also absorb the seasoning, and then you're gonna let it cook for about 1 more minute on very low heat just so it absorbs more of that goodness. And at this stage, if you have some sesame seeds, you can sprinkle those. If you want to add any other sort of garnishing, it's okay, but this chicken is ready to be served as it looks like this. So see, after about 1 minute, it has absorbed all of those seasonings. Now go ahead and cut your chicken in whichever way you like and serve it. And we're basically coming to the end of this video. So thank you for checking out this recipe. I hope you make it. And if you do like it, please leave a comment. And yeah.